Hello, friends. Now we will show you how to install mobile phone teleprompter K2. Open the package, take out teleprompter and accessories. Then take out rear phone clamp. Take out the screw, get down clamp back plate. Loose teleprompter fix screw. Adjust phone clamp angle. Take down rear phone clamp screw. Connect rear phone clamp with the after ring under teleprompter Tighten the body. Screw, then you could shoot vertically. Connect rear phone clamp with the second after ring. Tighten the screw, you could shoot horizontally. Take down tripod quick release plate. Connect quick release plate with bottom phone clamp. Tighten the screw. Connect teleprompter with tripod. Tighten the screw. If the tripod is not needed, you could connect desktop holder with bottom phone clamp. Tighten the screw, then you could use the teleprompter on a desk. If the teleprompter cannot be installed on the tripod, you could take down the bottom screw on the holder. Connect tripod quick release plate with the holder. Tighten the screw. Connect the holder with bottom phone clamp. Tighten the screw. And you could use the teleprompter by holding it. Connect the holder with the tripod. Tighten the screw. By this way, you could increase the height. Pull phone clamp. Place the display phone. Pull side phone clamp. Unscrew the extension screw, pull the phone clamp. Place the shooting phone in the clamp. Tighten the extension screw to fix the phone, then you could shoot horizontally. If you want to shoot vertically, need to connect the rear phone clamp with bottom adapter. Place the shooting phone in the clamp. Open the package, take out the remote control. Slide the side button to game. It can connect with Android system devices. Slide the button to key. Press on off button for iOS system the devices. Remote control is on, then it can connect with the phone via Bluetooth. Press menu button. Push joystick up and down. You could choose the category. Push joystick left and right. You could add or subtract category slider. Press A and Y button. You could adjust the rolling speed of text content. Tap Edit. You could input the text manually. You could also input the text by using voice input function. Edit the text while, then you could start shooting.